Comrades and friends, how are you? Just hope this message finds all of you well. Manerano Tsadarara, I just want to share something beautiful with you. Hapana zuva risingasviki. Ndofunga takatanga kubva November and even way before. Tichironga chinhu chedu, tichipusha revolution. And vanhu vaiti, maybe zviri kunonoka zviri kudii, but this is the month that we've all been waiting for. And March uya asvika. And come the 31 of March, we will flood the streets and speak with one voice. A man of the moment, Comrade Blessed Keza, will come very soon and give you all guys a signal. You know, the signal, especially when it's coming from Comrade Keza, it will definitely come and you will not be disappointed. And in closing, I would just like to applaud this beautiful man of God, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa. Ndofunga kuna wanoteera prophecies awo. And he only speaks when he hears the voice of God. And regardless of how tense the situation has been, he is always giving the word of God, the mind of God to his people, so that we know what to expect, we know how to behave. And you see, so that atikuuniki she's out no. Zvatiri kuona panyika panapa zvine zvichigadzirwa neutungamiriri nezvine zvakatarwa kudenga uko zvine zviri kufambidzana. So the revolution is in safe hands because God is in it. Just like I would like to quote from Advocate Chamisa, he always says God is in it. And therefore I would like to tell you in this movement, God is in it. And chinhu chedu manje zvikafamba zvakanaka paindependence tese tinenge tichifara, we'll have a fresh new start, an inclusive approach isina kuti uyu ndobato ripi uyu ndobato ripi, whether izano ndonga, whether triple C, whether ichi, everyone who's got capacity, everyone who is capable of doing something that will move Zimbabwe forward, achange ari part of that vision. Be it Ndifadzai Mahiri, she's a very, very intelligent woman, and we'll be happy to see her doing something for this nation. Be it Ostalos, be it Aninani Zaki, and you see, ane capacity. Ndiye munaruzupuwa basa kuti aendese Zimbabwe kumberi. So we'll have brilliant minds from ZANU-PF, brilliant minds from various political parties. Tombosimudzira nyika yedu yombofamba tichitungamirirwa na General Chiwenga. So this is the plan at hand. So don't get tired. Let's keep praying. Let's keep pushing. Victory is certain. Thank you so much. Muraj Raganaka.